Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to disable auto lock in Windows 11. So how to disable it, how to do this. Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. So let's get started. The first of all, going to your settings of your Windows and go to your accounts. After that, scroll down and click on a sign in options, and scroll down and click on a lock screen personalization. Click on a screen saver. After that, uncheck it if checked. So uncheck on screen display logged screen, click on apply and OK button and close it. After doing this step, in the search box type edit power plan, go to your edit power plan, click on a power options, click on a choose what the power button do, and click on a change settings. Change settings that currently unavailable, and click on a uncheck the lock. Click on apply changings and click on close the button. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your settings will be applied and disable auto lock screen. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.